What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe for more tech and money related videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy, sell and convert from one cryptocurrency to the next. So if that sounds interesting, let's hop straight into the video. So I'll launch my app. So I'll show you three things: how you can sell, how you can buy, and how you can convert from one crypto to the other. So I'm going to create a video on how you can switch or perform the same three procedures using Binance Pro, because the display is a bit different from Binance Lite, which is user friendly. So first things first, if you want to buy, you click on the center button located at the bottom. So I'll click on it, and as you can see, there's that option saying buy. So buy crypto with your local currency. So I'll click on it, and then I'm going to have all these various options of cryptocurrencies that I can buy from. So for this video, I'm going to show you on how you can buy cryptocurrency Bitcoin, because it is the most common cryptocurrency. So this method does not only work for Bitcoin, but it works also for any other cryptocurrency that you may be interested in buying. So I'll click on Bitcoin. So let's say I want to buy Bitcoin with $50. So if you're not comfortable with the conversion in United States dollars, Binance has an option in which you can convert from one exchange currency to the next for your convenience. So if you're not comfortable with USD, all you do is simply click on the drop down option on top, and then you can simply search the currency that you are comfortable in. So let's say you want to switch from USD to Russian ruble. So you simply click on ruble, but for this video I'll leave it in USD. So all you do is click on buy, and then you're going to have three payment options. Additionally to the payment options on this display, you're going to have a countdown at the bottom. And then the first payment method is AirTM, and then the second is money brokers, and then the third is pay with card, which is fiat. So you need to have a bank card attached to your Binance account in order for you to buy using your card. So I'm also going to create a video on how you can do that for educational purposes, so that you avoid or minimize on making errors. I'll put the link in the description below once the video is ready. So for the two methods of payment, as you can see at the end, there is P2P, which is peer-to-peer, of which you are buying cryptocurrency using another crypto trader. So you can either send them the money and then they'll release the Bitcoin to your account once the transaction is complete, or it can be the other way around. You can be the one sending the Bitcoin to a particular crypto trader once they send the money into your account. So let's say I want to buy cryptocurrency using my card. Simply click on pay with card, and then all I have to do is simply click on confirm, and I would have purchased myself Bitcoin with $50. So that's how you basically purchase cryptocurrency. So let me go back quickly and show you on how you can sell cryptocurrency using Binance. So I'll click on the bottom center button like I did, and then you can see there's that option telling you to sell. So sell crypto to local currency. So I'll click on sell. And then the thing with Binance, and I believe also other crypto trading platforms, is you can only sell cryptocurrency that you're invested in. You can only sell what you have. So if you don't have that particular cryptocurrency, you cannot sell it, because the logic there is you do not have it, so you can't sell it. So for instance, I've got shares in Sand, so I'll search Sand. I've got a few coins there just to show you how it's done. So I'll click on Sand. So let's say I want to sell all the Sandbox coins that I have. All I do is I'll simply click on maximum, and then as you can see, I'm about to sell my 4 coins of Sandbox. So if I'm comfortable with the transaction I'm about to make, all I simply do is click on sell, and I would have sold my Sandbox coins. So what will happen after you sell is the money will move from my Sandbox coins to my crypto wallet that is in Binance. So that money will no longer be tradable, because it is no longer in a crypto form. So I can withdraw the money if I want, or I can use the money to buy other cryptocurrencies. So that's basically it on how you sell cryptocurrency. So you simply click on sell, and you would have sold your Sandbox coins or any other crypto that you're interested in. So I go back finally and show you how you can convert cryptocurrency. So I'll click at the bottom there, and then as you can see, convert, trade any coins with 0 fee. So I'll click on that option at the bottom. So how you convert from one cryptocurrency to another is simple and straightforward. So from is the cryptocurrency that you have, to is the cryptocurrency that you want to have or that you're converting to. So there on Shiba, let's say I want to convert the crypto coins that I have in Sand to Bitcoin. So how much do I want to convert is up to me. So let's say, for instance, I want to convert the maximum amount of Sandbox coins to Bitcoin. So I'll click on max, and then I'll click on preview conversion at the bottom. And then as you can see, there's a countdown of 7 seconds. So once that 7 seconds elapses, I'll have to refresh because cryptocurrency is highly volatile. The price changes from time to time. So I'll refresh it, and then if I'm okay with whatever I'm about to convert to, I'll simply click on convert, and I would have converted my Sandbox coins to Bitcoin. So thank you so much for sticking out this far. If you've learned a few things on how to buy, sell and convert cryptocurrency from one crypto to another, I really appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. I'll gladly respond to each and every one of them. Stay safe. I'll check you out in the next video. Peace.